eyes and imagine everything you have ever known, every star, every galaxy, every atom, compressed into a single point. A point smaller than a grain of sand, smaller than a speck of dust, so small that size itself has no meaning. This is where the story of the universe begins. Not in darkness, not in emptiness, but in a state beyond comprehension. A state where space, time, energy, and matter were merged into one. This moment is what we call the Big Bang. Despite its name, it wasn't an explosion in space. It was space itself expanding, a sudden blooming of reality from a timeless void. 13.8 billion years ago, the universe erupted from this singular state, transforming nothingness into the cosmic ocean we drift through today. In the first trillionth of a second, temperatures soared beyond anything we can imagine. Energy churned wildly, particles flickered into existence and vanished again. The forces of nature themselves, gravity, electromagnetism, the strong and weak nuclear forces, were being forged. The early universe wasn't calm. It was a storm, a boiling, luminous sea of pure energy. As expansion continued, the universe cooled just enough for the very first building blocks of matter to appear. Quarks formed, then bound together into protons and neutrons, the seeds of all atoms yet to come. Within minutes, hydrogen and helium nuclei emerged, the first elements. For hundreds of thousands of years, the universe remained a dense fog of particles and radiation. Light itself could not travel freely. Everything was trapped in a cosmic haze. Then, after 380,000 years, a remarkable transformation occurred. Electrons slowed enough to join atomic nuclei. For the first time, neutral atoms formed. And when they did, the universe became transparent. Light burst free across space, and that ancient glow still travels today. We call it the cosmic microwave background, a whisper from the birth of everything. The universe, once glowing like a furnace, dimmed into a vast dark ocean. No stars, no galaxies, only hydrogen, helium, and endless night. But within that darkness, gravity began its quiet work. Clouds of gas gathered, compressed, and ignited. The first stars flared into existence, colossal giants burning hotter and brighter than any stars we see today. Inside those stars, nuclear furnaces forged new elements: carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, iron. The ingredients for life. When those early stars reached their end, they collapsed and exploded in violent supernovae, scattering their enriched cores across the cosmos. From these remnants, new stars formed. New planets formed, entire galaxies blossomed. Slowly, the universe began to take shape. Billions of years passed. The Milky Way unfolded, a spiral of hundreds of billions of stars. Around one of those stars, a small yellow sun, dust and rock gathered to form a world. A world bathed in light. A world with oceans, continents, and life. A world we now call Earth. Every atom in your body, every carbon atom in your cells, every oxygen atom in your lungs, was forged in stars that lived and died long before the sun existed. You are, quite literally, made of stardust. And the universe continued to expand. Galaxies drifted apart. Space stretched like fabric pulled from every direction. Distant galaxies move away from us faster than the speed of light, not because they are traveling through space, but because space itself is expanding beneath them. This expansion accelerates, driven by a mysterious force we call dark energy, a presence we do not understand, yet one that shapes the cosmos on the largest scales. The story of the Big Bang is not just the story of the universe, it is the story of time, of matter, of life. It is your story. Every heartbeat, every breath, every moment you experience is part of this cosmic timeline that began 13.8 billion years ago. And the universe is still writing its chapters. Stars are born each day. Others die in brilliant supernovae. Black holes consume the matter around them. Galaxies collide and merge in slow, graceful dances that take billions of years. And somewhere, in the deep darkness between stars, new worlds are forming, worlds that may one day awaken with life. The Big Bang is not an event trapped in the past. Its echo is everywhere, in the atoms of your bones, in the light of the night sky, in the expanding fabric of space. It is the beginning of everything, and the reason anything exists at all. So as you breathe slowly, as you relax into the quiet, remember this. You are part of a universe that is still unfolding. A universe filled with beauty, mystery, and endless possibility. And the story that began in the Big Bang continues with you.